Hi, Rod from VMN here. I wanted to just give you a bit of an update now on a new set of upper control arms that VMN is experimenting with and hope to be able to bring to the market as an exclusive VMN product. So let's just have a look at this a little bit closer, because I think you'll find that this has got all the features that we want. So having a closer look at this, we've got all the features that we need that we think are going to be very exciting. The caster and camber is a fixed position, ball joint with a rubber boot, and we think that is the way to go rather than the adjustable ball joints if we can get the alignment correct. High quality polyurethane bushes that are greasable, nice tight fitting, and mounts for your brake. Turning it over, you see we've got a standard style Toyota ball joint, so they'll just slot straight in. You can see everything here is, aside from a few scratches that we've put on it since we've been poking and prodding, everything about these says that these are a high quality item, and we've been told they're designed for a 2 to 4 inches of lift. So we really hope that they are true to their word with that, because if that is the case, these are going to come into the market at a very attractive price point and will eliminate the need for the adjustable ball joint with all the problems that come with it. The adjustable ball joints can come loose and lose your wheel alignment. They have a fairly short service life. The ball joint is very expensive. So there are a number of reasons why we want to move away from the adjustable ball joints, and hopefully this will help us do that.